Hello again, I'm Stephen Wells, the host of the Motoring Weekly podcast for the Australian Historic Road and Racing community. This week I attended a track day with the Gear Club at Sydney Motorsports Park. Listen to episode 148 to find out more about the Gear Club. In the meantime, listen to this interview with one of the drivers. So I'm with Bob Langdon out at Sydney Motorsport Park. You've got a 1958 BRA Austin Lancer Special. What does the BRA stand for?
Long story short, there were some guys way back when and they made ERAs, English Racing Automobile, and a bloke called Ken Reedy made this car, so it got the initials KRA, and Bob bought it off Ken, so it then became BRA, Bob's Racing Austin.
Right. And it's based on an Austin, so was it built locally?
It was built by Ken Reedy out in Yass, yeah.
Okay. So way out in the country, what was its original purpose? Was track car?
Well, it was a commuter car left in a wrecker's yard, and then they recovered it and made a race car out of it. He had another race car which was very heavy, and he thought, I'll make a lighter one for travel, like going to Lismore or somewhere.
Right.
And then I purchased it off him, 10 or 15 years ago.
Okay. And you're racing in what sort of, is it just Gear Club racing, or do you do other historics?
I basically do gear. I was doing Winton, but I don't think I'll go this year.
Yeah.
But gear, Winton, and a couple of historic events if they're close and handy. I don't go to Malala or any of those places.
Yeah. And are those mostly here in one raceway now?
No. We got Pheasants Wood, one raceway, and here. So we do the three.
Okay.
Three events.
Tell me a bit about the car. Other than it's a BRA, what's the motor in it?
It's a basic 1500cc off a BMC B motor. Slightly modified in bits, but everything else is stock standard.
Yeah, okay. And it looks a bit like a sort of one of the dirt track cars of days of old. There's not a lot to it, is there? So how light is it?
Can't tell you exactly, but 600 or 700 kilos.
And what sort of power output?
I don't know.
Okay. Enough to have fun in, I guess?
Pardon?
Enough to have fun in.
Oh, yeah, yep. I missed the fun bit, yep. Yeah, it is. It's great fun. Yeah. I ran like crazy in that event, but they caught me and mowed me down. Hard as I could for as long as I could.
Well, I was actually down in the pits when I arrived, and there was a guy who pointed it out as it came round the track, so he was obviously enjoying the work you were doing out there.
Oh, it's great fun. Its job is to make me smile, and my job is to let it make me smile without breaking it.
Yeah. Are you planning on doing more this year, or is this, what's your sort of calendar like for events?
We do 6 a year, so about every 2 months.
Okay. Right. And it's a perfect day. Maybe a bit too hot, is it?
Too hot in black, yeah. But while you're on the track, it's all right because you've got the breeze going through. But as soon as you stop here, it's fairly warm.
Well, I'll look out for it this afternoon because I think a fabulous looking car. I'll take a photo before I go. Thanks for your time. It's great to find out another vehicle that people wouldn't have heard of.
Yeah, well, there's a few B-series motors in cars, but they'll all be slightly different, like an MGB and the like, or MGA, sorry. So, yeah, there's a few motors like that about.
But in different shells.
All different shells, yeah.
Well, that's perfect. Thank you. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you very much.